Oh, McDonald's for breakfast.
For me.
Oh, so what have you got?
I've got all the new foods from McDonald's. I've got the katsu wrap.
Oof.
I've got the ranch stack. And I've also got the chili cheeseburger.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that though.
And what's that one there?
That's the chili cheeseburger. I can't wait to try this though. The katsu wrap.
Right, come on then. Let's see you try then. Come on then.
Okay.
I'll enjoy my nice breakfast.
Right, so let's have a look what we've got inside it. We've got lettuce, cucumber, the katsu sauce.
You don't get much lettuce, do you?
Got the katsu sauce, crispy onions and crispy chicken. You can have this with grilled chicken as well if you like. Let me try that sauce first.
What, you mean you could have had that with grilled chicken? You didn't get it with grilled chicken? I could have had the grilled chicken.
Very, very good. Let's try it.
Well, I like my salmon.
I love that.
Is it good?
100% buy that again. Love it. Now, the chili cheeseburger.
Oh,
That looks a bit flappy.
that's standard McDonald's, isn't it? Look at the state of that. Look at the state of that compared to the picture that would have came.
See, I love a cheeseburger. Love a cheeseburger. It's always my go-to. Chili though, try it. I'm gonna get a big mouthful.
I hope it's really, really spicy for you.
Ah, it's hot. It's spicy, definitely. I like it. I really like it. Hands off.
Ugh.
And the last one here,
Now that looks all right, that one. What is it?
it's the ranch. I thought it was ranch sauce. So it looks barbecue sauce, that. Again, crispy onions.
Oh, 2 big patties as well.
So the other one, McCrispy. So they do a crispy one, and so the ranch one just must mean like they're using the beef burger, which is strange because I would have thought it'd just be ranch sauce. Anyway, let's try it.
Any good?
No. I actually prefer that. And definitely that. No, not keen on that.
Right, well, enjoy it then. Right, I'm going to go and eat my breakfast. New McDonald's menu. Lick my